Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhaziqah Syaziah binti Muhammad HAZRI. My matrix number BB221105661. So in this video, I will make tutorial for three types of chart, which are Gantt chart, Pareto chart, and control chart. So the first chart is Gantt chart. We need to complete the duration here, or the data. We need to complete the duration. Just click equal ended -2 started, press enter, and we got the answer. Now how to get the answer for other tasks for the duration? We double click here and we got the answer. Now we can start to create the Gantt chart just by click all of the started, insert, and choose 2D bar, stacked bar. Now right click, select data, add. For the series name we choose duration, and for the series value we choose the duration values. Click OK, and we not finish yet here. We need to edit this part, so click edit and select all of this and click OK and click OK. Now we need to remove this blue bar by click here and no fill. Also these grid lines, how to remove it? Click here and untick the grid lines. Now we need to put the project planning on the top. Just double click here and choose categories in reverse order. Now for this part, we don't want it to be this messy, so double click here and you see this value. We need to change it. How to get the value for the minimum and maximum? For the minimum we choose started, we copy it and paste it here or any way you want, and for the maximum value we click here, copy and paste. Now we change this date to general number. Now we put this number in here. For the minimum value is 45663, and for the maximum value 45714. We got this. Now we done with our Gantt chart. For the chart title, just change it to the title, any title that you want. I put Gantt chart. Now we done. Next chart is Pareto chart. Now how to do the Pareto chart? First we settle the data first. For the frequency, we need to sort this from the largest number to the smallest number. I do it, but let me show you how to do it. Just select all the number here and sort largest to smallest, and we got this. Now we need to calculate the cumulative. Just use this formula, click before and press enter. For other row, how to calculate it? Click equal and C4 plus B5. press enter. We got the answer here. Now we need other answer for other cumulative for other frequency. Now we just double click here, and we got the answer. But I forgot one step. We need to calculate the all of the frequency, the sum of the frequency, to calculate the cumulative percentage. So just click here and we got the answer. Now we can calculate the cumulative percentage. Just use this formula, C4 divided to B9 and F4. Click F4 to make it like this. Now press enter and we got the answer here. Now to get the answer for other frequency or other complaint type, the cumulative percentage, double click here and we got the answer. Now we need to change it to percentage. Just select all of these and click this. Now we got the answer or the data here. Now we can start to create the Pareto chart. For the Pareto chart, we just need this and this. Now click insert and click recommended charts and choose clustered column. Click OK and here are the Pareto chart. Now we need to put the data. So click this line and click here and choose data labels and click here. We put it in the below of the line. We settle for the Pareto chart. So the next chart is control chart. How we want to do this? We need to find the mean and the standard deviation by using this formula, search average, and select all of this data and click enter. Same with standard deviation, but we use standard deviation formula. Choose this and select all of this data and click enter. Now we need to put the mean here. Click enter and click this and type F4 and it should like this and click enter. Now double click here. So now we can find the upper control limit and lower control limit. So the upper control limit, we use this formula. For the lower control limit, we use this formula. C4 plus 3 times standard deviation and F4. We got the value. Now we double click here. For the lower control limit, we use the same formula but with different symbol, which is minus. C4 minus 2, 3 times standard deviation, F4 the answer. Double click here, and that's all. Now we need to create we can create the chart already just by take all of these and click insert, choose this and choose this line. Now we have our graph here. What we need to do with this graph, we need to put the value here by add data labels. We put it in the below, same with this below, and same with this below. We change the chart title first. And that's all.